Are you ready to have a different kind of after-school snack? If so, today we're going to be making Italian pinwheels. Let's go! First, we're going to mix our cream cheese. Cream cheese is so good. On bagels, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, our garlic, and salt. And make sure you get all that delicious sun-dried tomato juice. It's so flavorful, it's gonna make the pinwheel even better. And it's time to stir it up. A smaller bowl and a fork or a spoon probably won't work for you like it did for me. So I'm using a hand mixer and a bigger bowl. And you're gonna wanna put the hand mixer on low. Kind of gonna look like eggs, but it's okay, because you can just mix it up with a spoon. Okay, now we're gonna go to this resort, using a spoon to smooth it all up. These
Is it working?
eggs. It is working. No, I'm not going to. For the next part, we're going to take our filling and just spread it all across the tortilla. If you have it, you could also add Parmesan cheese or olives maybe. Next, you're gonna take your basil and lay it down. And then you're gonna roll it up really tightly, just like this. And then you're gonna take a knife and cut it in 3 different places. This one's a little small, but he's still gonna be good. And there they are, here's our little pinwheels. Wow! I'm excited to try them. It's my first time ever making pinwheels, and I'm very excited about them. So here we go. Cheers. This is amazing. So much flavor packed into one tiny little bite. I definitely recommend making these. I hope you liked this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!